Nagtatanong kayo ng pangalan, nagpapasulat kayo ng pangalan, nagpapasulat kayo ng purpose, nagpapasulat kayo ng, di ba? Those are data. Data yon. And whether we like it or not, ang natutunan ko out of the many schools that I've been to, is that itong mga data na kinukuha natin from people who are visiting our office could be a source for us to improve our systems. Yun yung kiliti ko. So, ginagawa ko ngayon, lahat ng na-collect nilang data na Civil Service Commission, since I was still not around, ginagawa ko baseline data into creating new systems of progressions para ma-improve namin ang systems namin. So nakikita niyo na ngayon, meron na mga online appointment for ngayon ang tinatanggap namin ay fire officer exam, online na yon. Natapos kami ng civil service exam March 3, online din yung application na yon.